Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to use split screen in Android phone. Split screen on Android lets you use two apps at the same time on one display. It is useful for multitasking, such as watching videos while chatting or browsing while taking notes. The steps below show how to activate and use it properly. To begin, open the first app you want to use. Then tap the Recent Apps button, the square icon, or swipe up gesture, depending on your phone. Or on my phone, I have to use my two fingers and swipe up to choose the split screen. Drag the first screen to the split screen, and the first app will move to the top or side of the screen. Choose the second app from the recent app list or home screen. Tap the second app to open it in split screen mode. Adjust the divider up or down or left or right to prioritize one app. Switch apps if needed by opening recent apps again. Now, to exit the split screen, you can do this by dragging the divider all the way to the one side, or tap the home button to close the split screen. Reopen apps normally when you want to return to full screen use. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.